Yeah, hello viewer, KG. I'm behind the mic, I'm behind the camera, I mean to say. So if your vehicle, this is a 2017, is a Mercedes-Benz GLX. So if your vehicle is like this, I mean you can see, you know you're heading for trouble. You're not gonna be having a good ride. The vehicle will just be making all kind of crazy noise when you're driving on the road. As you can see the rear on this vehicle, you see let me come and I'll show my face. If you look at the tire right here, you can see what is going on without me explaining to you. So this vehicle now, you can't have a smooth ride. So I'm gonna jack up this car, so I'll bring you along and show you exactly what is going on. Why is this vehicle like this? Can somebody guess? All right, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Let me go ahead, grab some tools. We jack up the car, take off the tire, and we'll go from there. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It takes one to know one. It takes two to tango. We can't be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. I haven't said that, KG. You know my slogan, let's go. We're getting it right now. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tire, which is a 17 lug nut. So when you look down here, so on the other side, this guy is completely off. Like I was saying before, you can see on this side, see the thing is broken off. So that's where the passenger side rear is. See, it's broken off. So that's why the car is laying flat. All right, just wanted to share that, KG. We're gonna put some tire underneath for extra safety, so that you are responsible for your own life. Protect it. So we bought one from AutoZone. Let me bring it out and show it to you guys. So this is one I bought from AutoZone. You know, this is the part number. Let me bring the other one. So they are both the same. You don't have no left or right. So this is the air spring. So on the other side, the thing just broke off. So you have this, and there's something else coming on top. More easy. You don't need no tools. You just need a pry. So let me see if I can pry it out. But we have to lose the. What's the? I think is a 10 or. Let me get the camera. I'll show you what I need to lose there. But I can't show it while I'm working on it, but let me bring the camera down and show you. So if you look right here, right, I hope you can see it. See where that is connected? Right here. So we're gonna have to lose this guy. Once we lose that guy, then we can be able to snap it out. Don't go ahead and start snapping it out now without losing that. It should be 10 or 11. So that's where the air, that's what's pushed the hairspring to go up when you start the car. The air pump straight to this guy, and this guy will start springing up. So let me do that and we'll convert. kg, stay tuned. All right, so I disconnected it already. So now we're gonna try to pry it out. So this thing doesn't have left or right. Just squeeze it. So as you can see, I looped out all this surrounding 10 right here. See, it's over here now. So I just pry this so I can drag this stuff out. Because I didn't want to disconnect anything underneath there, you know. So the boys are. So you see what I was telling, make sure you put the new one and this one in there. And you use this guy as well. Because this one line up underneath right there. So let me bring this guy, show you. See, this one already come with this. And it come with this, see, this one has this own, so we're gonna take off this. We might have to change the, let's see, still have a rubber. This one has a new one. So this one goes inside this. See, this one is a rubber. See, this one is just a rubber, the original one. So we're gonna see. I have to see if this, I believe it should screw in there without no problem. So we just need to get this guy, like I was saying. But this one is so high. Why is it like that? This one is so high. They're the same at the bottom. Okay, so this one look like it's the same thing. So it's the same thing. It's the same. I just wanted to point, it's the same thing. So this one just have to go in first. Squeeze it. So we need to put this guy in here. I'll make sure we put this guy back in here. So it's gonna be a little bit of dog fight, but at the end of it, you'll be able to get through. That was what I did. That was what I did. Maybe there's other way you can go in. I don't know. Well, this is what I did to get it out. We're gonna use the same techniques. That rubber just fell off, but as soon as I get inside, I will put it back. All right, so the new one is back in there. I just want to mention something out. You see this, where is it? Where did I drop it? Okay. You see this one that comes with the new one? This fitting? The old one can't fit in here. You know, maybe if you buy from the dealer. So the old one cannot fit in here. So you have to take off the old one to use the new one in here. And when you take this off from the pipe there, so there's a little ball around it there. So you're gonna have a little time taking that ball off, you know. So once you be able to take it out, then you can now use this. You know, so that was the little problem I was having there, but everything went well now. So I'm gonna go to the other side and then put the other side in. But I won't be able to show that side because showing this side is good enough. KGR, I will see you on my next episode. Please consider subscribing and let me know what you think about this video. Bye for now.